We're here at the local UPS store in Redlands taking photos for their passport. They have to look at the camera. What do you need to do? Be visible?
No, be there. That one's good. I like that.
If it's acceptable.
So
With their funky hair or
yeah,
comb
that's
hair?
fine.
You look comfy there, Carla. Now is Zoe's turn. This is the beginning of their international travel and adventure.
Zoe. 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 Eve. Hey. Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Hey. This one's pretty good. Yeah. I mean, other than that, I have a bunch of her moving around.
This video is sponsored by the UPS store. Available nationwide. So we're here in front of the post office applying for the passports for the girls. I don't know if I can film inside, but this is the post office right here.
Thank you, baby. I'll trade you. Driver's license for baby. I'm gonna just go make copies. I'm making copies of the birth certificates. We have to send them in also, the originals. Would you like me to make you a copy?
Yes,
Just so you have. They'll send them back, but I do have to send them in at first. I will be right back now.
So we're here doing the paperwork for the passports, and this is Miss Vicky.
I got her to smile a couple times. Who took their pictures?
UPS store.
You did good.
Yeah, you know, next to Albertsons.
Children are so hard, especially babies.
How long does these valid baby's passport?
They'll last for 5 years. Because in 5 years, you're going to see a big difference between this and that's why.
Makes sense.
Are you blowing bubbles, little one? Hey. All right, Mom, you may have yours back. You don't have any trip planned, right? Not right now?
No, not yet.
So regular routine service about 8 to 12 weeks. I'm hearing it come back a lot sooner, but that's kind of what we're being told to say.
No
Is that
worries.
okay?
Yeah. During COVID, you know, couldn't ask for more. That's pretty good.
COVID, it was up to 18 weeks.
Oh, 18
and it was
weeks.
taking every bit of it, too.
Wow. We still got to take the Brazilian passports for them too.
Make sure looks like a 1 and not a...
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's a Brazilian one there. Gotta be careful.
Just making sure.
The one here is just a stick.
Yeah, just a line, just a 1.
Yeah.
Sometimes they make it with a little line or they'll stick at the front, but...
Yeah, Brazilians like to put their little tail on top that looks like a saddle.
Yeah. We have it that sometimes. Alright, so 2 passport books, 2 processing fees,
How much?
$281.85.
I don't know if you ought to change. Maybe
I should have changed.
So this is another form of tax. Taxes have many names, like DMV registration. This is another type of tax for those of you from the outside looking in. And we like to call different names so we don't get shocked by how much we pay in taxes all the time.
$18.50.
Thank you. We better use this passport a lot. You know, it's a respectable cost. I mean, for the passport, so we should use it. Should use it often. And they can fly for free right now.
Yeah, can they?
Yeah.
Oh, because they sit in your lap, huh?
They're too little, yeah.
All right, so I'll fill out your money orders. You got your hands full. You swear and confirm the information on these applications are true and correct to the best of your ability. These are pictures of your daughters. Okay, Mom. You can sign on that second line right there and circle the word mother, okay? I'm gonna give you one more to do, right there. You're gonna sign right there in that second line. Almost done, sweetie. I got that smile again.
No, she'll smile at any bad joke. The other one doesn't. The other one, you need a real good joke. She doesn't crack smiles.
Well, right now she seems a little calmer. Huh. All right, guys. When you do get them back, look at everything, okay? Look at the dates, the spelling, the pictures, and make sure everything is correct. If you find out anything is wrong, you're going to call this phone number right here, and they'll give you directions on how to correct it.
Okay.
Okay? Now, here's the website, travel.state.gov.
Okay.
It's under Track My Passport. They'll ask you for her last name, last 4 digits of her social, and her birthday. And then if you put your email address, they'll give you updates along the way, okay?
Appreciate it.
You have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you.
So today Sarah is visiting us here, and we just received the passport for the girls. We're very excited because now we can basically take off anywhere. What did you open, Solange?
Carla, vamos abrir o seu passaporte.
You're the lucky winner. Carla, we're opening your passport first.
Meu bebê.
This is Carla's passport. Let's check it out.
Aqui, ó, esse aqui que é seu. Olha, meu bebê.
So there it is. So now let's open Zoe's passport.
Zoe.
You excited? So basically we went through all the steps to apply for the passport, and we had to wait for 3 months, and now we finally got it. We're still waiting for all the records to be
O
made.
cabelo da Zoe melhorou.
Very cool, look at that. Look at her.
pouquinho. Now we
Alright.
can go. Vem a vovó, meu bebê.
So now they can go visit Grandma. You're gonna go see Grandma, you're excited? Do you have any words for this event?
Fala,
Here we go.
Grandma, we are going.
One more thing for you to suck on.
Que segura, não põe na boca
Alright then, so this is it. How to apply and get the passport for infants. Thanks for watching, bye bye.